In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Siri to ChatGPT. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be presenting a method to use ChatGPT on top of Siri. I just want to make it very clear that even though you can use ChatGPT on your iPhone and even use voice requests, you won't be able to replace Siri altogether. This is true for every single assistant. So as it stands today, Siri will always be the default assistant and there's no option to replace it altogether. So in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative that allows you to use ChatGPT with ease, but keep in mind that you will not be replacing Siri. That is impossible. So this method allows you to use Siri and make it take requests for ChatGPT. So essentially, you are still using Siri, but they are going to go directly into ChatGPT. To do this, you have to use the Shortcuts app. This is designed by Apple themselves, and it gives users the option to create custom scripts, custom shortcuts, and you might imagine what we're trying to do. So when you open the Shortcuts app, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen, and in here, choose the option to add a new action. So we're going to be doing an action that opens an application when you do a voice command. So when you choose add action after tapping the plus sign, under scripting, choose this option here, open app. And now you have to set it up to where it opens or asks ChatGPT a message in a new chat. So as long as you choose ChatGPT as the application and you set up like this, you will be able to issue requests, and when you issue a request through your microphone, it is going to go to ChatGPT. So as long as you have the ChatGPT application, it is now going to feed it the message that you talked on the microphone, and it will be input in there for your request. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Siri to ChatGPT. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.